In this video, I will discuss a BLACKBOX AI code generation tutorial. So to generate code in seconds with BLACKBOX AI, you can use its web interface. Like for example, let's ask this to generate a code about adding API to my website to connect apps. So you can ask them to generate a code about this. It uses the web interface. However, you can also integrate it directly into your code editor like VS Code. So in here, it will interpret first your request and then create a code for you that you can actually use. So with this, you can just copy the code and add it right there directly into your code editor. So it also have a desktop application as well as mobile applications. So you can just start a chat and provide a clear prompt and review and test if this prompt works. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.